me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom, and home with me again. Oh, life could be a dream. If I could take you up in paradise, of course. If you would tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom, and home with me again. Oh,
we missed the train.
Jesus, I look so fat on camera.
Great cash. But you guys still run out of head.
Just gonna cruise around the city, and at some point there's gonna be fishing involved, so you guys stay tuned. Trust me, I'm gonna try my best to do some fishing, but we're in the city, so it's gonna be crazy. Ooh. Tell them where we're at, Paul.
I have no clue. Some park.
Bryant Park. And you know I like the game so much. We are all playing Pokemon. Sooner or later, there will be some fishing content, I promise. But for right now, we're playing Pokemon and enjoying the city. Going towards the water, man. This is awesome.
Dipping like dipping dots.
That studio. It's kind of loud here. I don't know if you can hear me, but we're on our way. Hopefully we can see him. Really love to meet the guy, but we'll see. We have made it to the Neistat studio. There's Beam headquarters right there. There's his studio right there, and as you can see, there's that GoPro. Hanging down, checking out the street. We're gonna head over there, take some pictures. I know I'm a fanboy, but it's all good. Sadly, he is actually, where is he, Paul?
Nantucket.
Nantucket. Missed him, but it's all good. Next stop, we're gonna go get some food here. Let's do this. Yeah, we'll do a little bit of the onions and peppers. A little bit of lettuce, a little bit of cheese.
11.75. Have a great day.
Thank you, you too. Dos Toros. Check out these burritos. Alright, leaving now, and where are we going? It's really quiet in this part of New York City. What's up, doggy? It's just peaceful. I would live here.
Yeah, you think you can afford this?
Yeah, this is the of course I can. Right by the water. Look at these cheaters.
Yeah, we should go. We want to go to Magikarp Island? Sand troops up there.
Look. We are now making it down. I just have to get so loud.
See the water from here.
Oh man, you can. All the way down there.
This is nice.
This is a nice area, Nick, isn't it?
This is nice, dude.
Heading down to the water, and I didn't get the marine license, but I may drop a line in, I don't know. But anyways, we're going down to the water. It should be awesome down there.
Had a nice big burrito.
Dude, that burrito was bomb.
It was great, and I'm so satisfied.
All right, let's hit it. We're like right there, right down the road there.
Life could be a dream if I could take you up in paradise like ocean. If you would tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom, and hope we'll meet again. Oh, shaboom, 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 shaboom,
We are at, I don't know, Pier 62?
I don't know what Chelsea did.
I don't know. We're at some pier by the water. There's water right there. And now we are going to haul it all the way up to Central Park. How far do you think it is, guys?
We're gonna haul it.
Like 20 minutes, 40 minutes?
Haul it 20.
20 if we haul, hopefully. But we're gonna go. We got this. We'll be there 20 minutes. And then, hopefully, I'm gonna take out the rod and reel. Should be interesting.
You guys heard about the burritos we had?
Oh yeah, they heard about it. That was like a couple clips ago.
Just kidding. I already told them.
You wanna see it? Look at that burrito. Still. Those trees right there, that's Central Park, and that is where we'll be fishing. Riding through Central Park here. Look how many people are here. So many people. Heading to the fishing spot, the pokey spot, whatever you want to call it. But we're heading there. My feet hurt. It's our spot of choice. Got benches. This is nice, dude. Nice and remote. Nick, you want to explain what rig we have here?
Well, we got carbon fiber. We got the Johnson composite telescope spin casting rod right here. This thing retails for about $40. You look at it once, normal rod. You look that way for a sec. You look over there and you come back. What's this?
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, we got a telescoping rod.
Telescoping. Big carp. Big freaking carp.
You wanna get the bread?
Yeah, get the bread. That thing just jumped so high. God, I hope I don't catch a turtle.
Anywhere else is a good spot. In this bottle. Oh. That definitely moved. Oh, good God. Got something. Oh, God. It's a turtle. Definitely a turtle.
No, it's going too fast. Oh, it's a catfish.
Catfish, baby.
First catch here,
Dude,
a really fat catfish on some corn.
Oh, God. The turtle's coming.
Barely hooked him. This guy's fat.
Oh, he's gone.
There he is.
Here you go, Paul.
Hope you guys can see that. I know it's kind of dark, but
You want me to get the
it's all good.
camera, dude?
check it out, dude.
Want me to get the vlogger?
Yeah, I'll just bring it up there.
So we're out here in Central Park, and would you look at that? First fish of the day. Catfish.
Nice,
slab.
I'm not good with
Here,
catfish.
hold them off this way. Hold them this way. There we go. That's perfect lighting right there.
I don't know what kind of. I'm not good with catfish. I'm guessing it's like a
He's brown with a yellow belly.
bullhead or something like that.
We're gonna call him a yellow belly catfish.
Anyways, gonna get a release on.
This thing's waterproof, right?
Yeah, right.
Wait, you got the waterproof housing on there.
Dude, we're not skunked.
Not skunked in Central Park.
Central Park
Wow.
fishing.
Really, this
Fish on.
got fish on.
Another catfish.
Get your flashlights out, boys.
Flashlights.
Oh, here, put them all in can.
Another catfish. I just put away my boga grips. Can you get them out of the back?
Is this recording?
Yeah. Can you restart a new one? Because that's a time lapse. All right, let me get the pliers. Get the hook out real quick. Hook is out. Got a nice channel cat here from Central Park, one of the Maine lakes. This isn't the Maine lake, but it's the second biggest one, we think, right? It's got to be something like that. Nice little channel cat. Second catfish of the day. I think we're gonna end it after this one because it's dark, and I hate filming in the dark.
Look at the view, though.
I know, that view. Transition from day to night is just insane here.
Wait, I got a good.
I think might as well just end the vlog here, right?
Wait, no, I got a good. We should do a Q&A to end it. You sit
Alright,
down and we'll
alright.
ask you questions.
Well, ask me one question right now, right,
Alright,
right on the spot.
What was your favorite part of this trip?
Oh man, that's a hard one. I think my favorite part was that ride all the way from, I forget where we came out, but we went all the way from there all the way up to here from the like on the water. There's another carp by the way.
Big carb jump.
You want a question?
What's
Paul?
your favorite part about making YouTube videos?
The satisfaction after the video's done.
And the views.
It's after, because I literally watch my videos so much. I'm so satisfied after making the videos. It's insane.
If you had to pick out one burrito from today, what would be your favorite?
I forget the name of the place.
Dos Toros.
Dos Toros. That's what I'm gonna choose.
Well, there you have it, folks. I'm not gonna go that way over the water.
Here, you know what? I'm gonna hold it.
In NYC, and you saw it here first.
Nick, you know the drill. You were on it. No, wait. Paul has never done it. You want to end the vlog, Paul? Wait. What do I say at every vlog?
What?
Thanks for watching us.
I was like,
Yeah, that's what I thought.
see you on the next one.
Look at this guy. Oh, he is a genius. That is how you freaking blow a parking lot. You just go, look at him go.